Are you ready to take your PC cooling game to the next level? Look no further. In this video, we present to you the best AIO coolers of 2023, guaranteed to keep your system running cool and quiet. Let's dive right in. Corsair iCUE H170 I Elite Capellix XT. First up, we have the Corsair iCUE H170 I Elite Capellix XT. This AIO cooler sets the bar high with its exceptional performance and stunning RGB lighting. Equipped with Capellix RGB LEDs, it delivers vibrant and customizable lighting effects, adding a touch of style to your build. The H170 I Elite Capellix XT features a high-density aluminum radiator with a larger surface area for enhanced heat dissipation. It comes with three 120 mmL series fans that generate high static pressure while maintaining whisper-quiet operation. The iCUE software allows you to monitor and control your cooler's performance, adjusting fan speeds and RGB lighting to suit your preferences. With its advanced cooling technology and eye-catching aesthetics, the Corsair iCUE H170 I Elite Capellix XT is the perfect choice for discerning PC enthusiasts. You can find it on Amazon using the link below. DeepCool Liquid Cooler, LS520. Next on our list is the DeepCool Liquid Cooler, LS520. This AIO cooler combines sleek design with efficient cooling capabilities, making it an excellent choice for both gamers and PC enthusiasts. The LS520 features a low-profile pump design that ensures easy installation and compatibility with a wide range of cases. Its high-density aluminum radiator provides excellent heat dissipation, keeping your CPU temperatures in check. Equipped with a 120 mm PWM fan, the LS520 delivers optimized airflow and quiet operation. The RGB lighting on the pump adds a touch of style to your system. With its reliable performance and user-friendly design, the DeepCool Liquid Cooler LS520 is a solid contender in the AIO MSI MAG CoreLiquid P240. Now, let's take a look at the MSI MAG CoreLiquid P240. This AIO cooler offers a perfect balance between style and performance, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable cooling solution. The MAG CoreLiquid P240 features a robust pump design with a high-efficiency impeller, ensuring optimal coolant circulation and maximum heat dissipation. Its large surface area aluminum radiator, paired with two 120 mm fans, provides exceptional cooling performance, even under heavy loads. The fans are equipped with MSI's exclusive Torx Fan 4.0 technology, which delivers powerful airflow while minimizing noise levels. The MAG CoreLiquid P240 also boasts customizable RGB lighting on the pump and fans, allowing you to personalize your system's look. With its durable construction, efficient cooling capabilities, and stylish aesthetics, the MSI MAG CoreLiquid P240 is a top-tier AIO cooler. Asus TUF Gaming LC240 ARGB. Moving on, we have the Asus TUF Gaming LC240 ARGB. Designed with gamers in mind, this AIO cooler offers reliable performance and eye-catching aesthetics. The TUF Gaming LC240 ARGB features a reinforced sleeved tubing that not only enhances durability, but also adds a sleek touch to your build. Its 240 mm radiator and dual 120 mm fans ensure efficient heat dissipation, even during intense gaming sessions. The fans come with addressable RGB lighting, allowing you to synchronize them with other compatible Asus AuraSync components for a unified lighting experience. The TUF Gaming LC240 ARGB also features a user-friendly interface, enabling you to easily adjust fan speeds and monitor temperatures. If you're looking for a dependable AIO cooler that combines performance and style, the Asus TUF Gaming Cooler MasterLiquid ML360R RGB. Next up, we have the Cooler MasterLiquid ML360R RGB, a powerful AIO cooler that takes cooling performance to new heights. Equipped with a massive 360 mm radiator and three 120 mm Masterfan MF120R ARGB fans, this cooler delivers exceptional thermal dissipation for even the most demanding systems. The low-resistance radiator and dual-chamber pump design ensure efficient coolant flow and maximize heat transfer. With its extensive RGB lighting capabilities, including addressable RGB LEDs on both the fans and the pump, you can create dazzling lighting effects to complement your build. The Cooler Master Liquid ML360R RGB also features a reinforced FEP tubing that prevents kinks and offers enhanced durability. Control and customization are made easy with the included software. If you're seeking top-tier cooling performance and stunning RGB lighting effects, the Cooler Master Liquid ML360R RGB is the perfect choice. NZXT Kraken X73. Last but not least, we have the NZXT Kraken X73, an AIO cooler that combines sleek aesthetics with exceptional cooling capabilities. The Kraken X73 features a 360 mm radiator, 3 ARP series fans, and a chamfered intake and fluid dynamic bearings for optimal performance in silent operation. With its infinity mirror design and customizable RGB lighting, this cooler adds a touch of elegance to your PC build. The advanced Kraken X series pump includes a high-density micro-fin copper cold plate for efficient heat transfer. The Kraken Control software allows you to fine-tune your cooling performance, adjust fan speeds, and personalize the lighting effects. If you're looking for a reliable AIO cooler with a premium look and outstanding cooling performance, the NZXT Kraken X73 is an excellent choice. In all, whether you prioritize performance, style, or a combination of both, these coolers offer exceptional cooling capabilities to keep your system running at its best. Choose the one that suits your needs and take your PC cooling to the next level. Don't forget to check the description below for the Amazon links to each of these AIO coolers.